He does know. He does know.
He was having a lovely dream and then you stopped him.
But I got him.
First time ever.
He normally stops as soon as I press record, no matter where I am.
That must have been one hell of a good dream, baby. You wanting to meet Loki?
You were thinking about eating that classifier, weren't you?
Aye, with insulin.
Yeah, eating insulin's classifier. Yeah? You getting up? Oh, look what you've got here, man. Yes, I know the camera's not on the side, so you have for a change. Bony, oni. Interested in it? Hmm? A bluntio. I just want a stroke. Strokey-okey-o.
It's the first dream he's had in a wait, no, he had a dream last night at home.
Aye, well, anyway, man. Didn't begin switching that Xbox on again. It's off. Or ejecting it when I'm playing a game.
Poor little bug, I didn't know what was going on because of my bloody phone clock.
Aye, alright, man. Good dream, that, wasn't it? What are you dreaming about? Eating a classifier. Eh? Insolence bloody classifier.
I'm finding gold with insulin.
Finding gold.
He likes his gold.
You like the taste of gold.
Aye, he drinks yours.
You're gonna have a bit sour.
No.
Sour sweet?
No.
Yeah.
No. I seen that lad's reaction, you know.
You should have seen Michael's reaction. He had 3 of them.
I didn't see Michael. I wasn't here.
Oh, look at him.
Just
getting cosy.
Today's reaction when we got here.
Well, it's funny you said that's spicy or that's hot or something. You know, it must have the same reaction as a chili because, like, Michael was said, that's really spicy. No, sour. And because he says, oh, here we go. I'm just going to give him a little tiny bit because I'm going to have a tiny bit to see what this 8.5 out of 10 log is. Because he loves his sweets and he can have a lolly or 2 afterwards, can't you? Yeah? Wait, no, just 1 lolly or... No.
He's not a sugar addict. He doesn't eat very much sugar.
Well, look at him, man. Does he look... Look how shiny he is. And healthy he is. He doesn't look fat at all. He's muscles. Aren't you?
He's chesty.
He's got a bloody neck on him, which is like joined onto his chest. Huge head. Huge neck and then massive chest. I used to be able to get my hand round you. Can't even get my hand round your fucking chest.
Neck.
Or the neck. Or the mouth. I can't
I meant head, not neck.
Yeah, it's another Ziggy video, but you should have heard him. Well, you did hear him if you can hear it properly. I'll turn the volume up a bit.
Little dreamer.
He likes the camera now.
He loves dreaming. Happy dreams.
Come here.
Doesn't like car trouble. If anyone knows a suggestion.
Any ideas for stopping dog car sickness would be
Apart
much
from things
appreciated.
that knock them out because he only travels for 10-15 minutes.
Hi, 4.5 mile. Yeah, man. You got buns out. Well, one bun.
Where's me buns?
There's a bun. Hey. Hey. Look at them teeth. Them filthy gnashers. Yeah.
I was gonna call him Dasher, remember? But Ziggy
Uh,
sounded better.
Look at that, man. Not much puppy fat left. Yeah? Alright, get on. Have a good lick there. You silly fucker. Come here, man. What are you doing? Stop. You're on camera, man. Stop being a dog. Say hello.
What's he trying to do to you, baby?
Oh, that tail waggle. Right, that's me beer. Never mind about licking your lips. That's me beer, man. You're not having any? Cheeky bugger. Look at orbs. Loads of orbs flying past.
We always have orbs.
Oh, I know. Maybe you have to switch it off now, because it's like 8 minutes. Right.
Just